Yung
Ito?
yan sir.
Dito,
Konti,
dito?
oo, isa muna kasi may. Yung isa muna ang lagay mo sa, huwag mong lagay lahat. Meron pa sa ilalim. Yan. Alonso's breakfast. Ay, ano ba yan? Nagutom. Here's your tissue. Get yan.
Mix your water.
Pinakuha ko siya ng water.
Pinasa mo.
Take your seat yan. Enjoy your breakfast.
Eating.
Pancake. Pancake.
Pancake. Pancake?
You want pancake?
No, I already did.
Nag-breakfast ka na?
I eat spaghetti.
Kagabi spaghetti rin kinain ni Alonso eh.
Wala alam na. Okay, I'm gonna sweet now again.
Alonso, you're beside the witch, oh. Which way?